Normal policies will cover COVID-19 issues. That being said, there are caveats to that.
If you were asked to put down a $5,000 deposit now on, let's say, a rental of a villa in Tuscany, as an example, I mean, you are running the risk that if next summer there is another variant and that country, Italy, should close down its border, you will not be eligible to get back the money.
With the federal government relaxing its blanket advisory against international travel, as well as a number of other restrictions, travelers are once again seeking the sun. We can even get full insurance coverage if we have a COVID-related medical emergency while abroad or have to stay longer due to a positive test result on return. But a warning from a Toronto area insurance broker that providers generally still won't cover pandemics, meaning your payment for your resort packages or short-term rentals could be lost if we see a resurgence.
COVID is a known cause for things like border closure, travel advisory, country that says our count is through the roof and you don't want to go there anymore. None of those reasons will be covered.
Firestone, however, says some resorts are offering packages that allow you to cancel for any reason.
It's very expensive and it only returns a certain portion of the total cost.
So will this be a deterrent to would-be vacationers?
We want to get away so badly that I think the majority of people will book trips and they will take the chance.
A lot of people are take my money to hell with it, we're going no matter what. You know, people are tired.
Definitely the pent-up demand is stronger. I don't think the insurance is deterring people at this point.
Meanwhile, both Barry Foote and Teena Dowd both sell vacation packages in the GTA. They both agree it's the cruise industry that's developed a rep for being more forgiving when it comes to rebooking vacations affected by the pandemic. Dowd, already traveling herself, speaking with us from aboard the Sky Princess.
We've had our best month ever in February. It's been a floodgate ever since the announcement came out from the government that the restrictions were going to be relaxed. Some people already had their trips booked and they were just waiting to see what happened.
Bearing in mind that all these all-inclusives and all these cruise lines are still not at full capacity. They're not accepting full capacity.
We're just retired, so we want to travel. Do at least 2 cruises a year.
Ann Kaprowski lives in Windsor. We spoke with her last year after she and her husband found that their travel plans were in limbo for months after the pandemic struck right when the pair retired. Now, with restrictions relaxing, they've booked 2.
So it was very disappointing, and we were like stuck in the house doing nothing. And now we have these 2 cruises to look forward to, so we're happy. And hopefully we can continue cruising or going on vacation somewhere.
So you haven't lost any money through your bookings or anything?
Not lost any money at all, no. The ships changed and the itinerary changed a tiny bit, but we have not lost any money.
As for advice, Firestone says some accommodations might be willing to negotiate terms.
Cut a deal with the end user that if you can't get there, they will reimburse you the cost.
In Oakville, David Zura, City News.